In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your monitor orientation between landscape or portrait mode on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or traditional desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Start menu or Start button and search for Settings. Best result, you come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System, and then on the right side, select Display. Scrolling down underneath Scale and Layout, there should be a section that says Display Orientation. You can click the drop-down and select either Portrait or Landscape mode if your hardware supports it, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.